Hey everyone, it's Ruby with Valhalla Organics, and it's raining here, so it's the perfect time to talk all about our irrigation system. I want to welcome you to part 7 of our Food Not Lawns video series. Today we're talking all about our custom designed, custom installed drip irrigation system.
After struggling for a while, we got smart and put the spool of drip tape on the trailer. And you can see where we did 3 or 4 rows here. We put the end caps on. This is kind of what it looks like when it's done. This is how you install the drip tape onto the main line, which is that hose I'm poking a hole into. All the stuff came in a kit, so it's pretty neat. That's the little adapter that you put on for the drip tape, and it's got a backwards threaded little nubby. So when you cut it, you got to make sure not to cut it where the emitters are. I learned that the hard way. And then you slide it on like thus, and it's backwards threaded. And then the pressure of the water going through the pipe will actually keep that where it's supposed to be.
The system can be watered using the well or water catchment. This goes to field 1 and this hose goes to field 2. Each hose has a filter built into it, and we're going to take a very speedy walk down to field 1. So field 1 is going to be our cucumbers, hot peppers, and squash. So we're going to follow these 2 hose lines, and here we are at the header row for field 1. So each of our drip lines is fed by a spigot that's attached to that header hose, like you just saw. And now we're going to take a very quick walk all the way down to field 2. Now, field 2 is where we're growing a lot of different crops like tomatoes, okra, and some perennials as well, like elderberries and asparagus. So here we are at the header for field 2. And we actually tested out the system so you can see some of those dark spots. That's actually water coming out of our drip lines. We hope you'll keep following along with our journey and subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly updates.